go over this way now.
I want to see fish.
Where? Ain't nobody, they got a bunch of, oh, you can get on stuff all the way down through here. Yeah. I'm gonna see if we can catch it. Come on, bud. Come this way.
What is really deep, Dad?
15 feet.
Dang! I could swim at 12 feet. I'll probably be fine.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I can swim at 12 feet.
They start. I think. What time is it? I think they start at 11.
What, fishing?
The boat ride. Look at that.
Whoa.
Come on, bud. You like it? They sleep, man. They ain't woke up yet. Look at the jet skis.
Bird.
Huh? What they doing? Maybe we had to come over here.
Bubbles! Dad, there's a fish down there.
It's rain.
No,
I see. You might be right.
when there's bubbles, there's fish. It's a pigeon.
Cool, man.
It's a pigeon.
I'm trying to hook up with somebody so we can take off real quick, man. Huh? TJ, come back this way.
I'm tasting the pigeon. They're more relaxed than any type of fish, any type of bird.
Trying to get
Because
some money. They got a dolphin boat right there. They take you for the ride on a dolphin.
pigeons are more relaxed birds because when I was walking to them, they didn't even fly. They just moved away. They were relaxed birds. If that was another bird, they would have flew somewhere far away. I need to see a fish. Where did Mom and David go?
We'll come back, man. The weather gonna clear up here pretty soon. We're gonna come back, okay?
So we're not gonna go swimming until noon?
Yeah, we're in the clear.
So you said that water is 15 feet deep?
I don't know, maybe.
I'll be fine. I can swim at 12, so 15 I'll probably be fine.
All right, come back over this way.
I'll probably be more worried about getting my
Oh yeah? Y'all booked up for today?
I don't know. This guy right here.
Y'all booked up for today?
No, we got still room.
How much is it?
29 per person.
And what is it? Dolphin sighting or what is it?
Yeah, so we go out, we do some sightseeing.